Students, in our previous class, with one example, we have seen what is appellate system. This legal system is further divided into two branches, that is, criminal law and civil law. Criminal law deals with acts that the law defines as offence. For example, theft, harassing a woman to bring more dowry, murders, etc. While civil law deals with any harm or injury to rights of individuals. For example, disputes relating to sale of land, purchase of goods, rent matters, divorce cases, etc. Well, all citizens of India has the right to access the courts in this country. But in reality, the large number of poor people in India cannot avail this facility. This is because legal procedures involves a lot of money and paperwork, as well as it takes up a lot of time. To solve this problem, the Supreme Court in 1890s devised a mechanism of public interest litigation, or PIL. According to this, any individual or organization can file a PIL in the High Court or the Supreme Court on behalf of those whose rights are being violated. It was further simplified, and even a letter or telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could be treated as a PIL. In the early years, PIL was used to secure justice on a large number of issues, such as rescuing bonded laborers from inhuman work conditions and securing the release of prisoners in Bihar who had been kept in jail even after their punishment term was complete. Students, did you know that the midday meal that children now receive in government and government-aided school is because of a PIL? Well, in the year 2001, Rajasthan and Orissa faced a severe drought. There was acute shortage of food. On the other hand, the government godowns were full of grain. In this situation, PUCL filed a PIL in the Supreme Court. It stated that the fundamental right to life guaranteed in Article 21 of the Constitution included the right to food. The state's excuse that it did not have adequate funds and was shown to be wrong because the godowns were overflowing with grains. The Supreme Court ruled that the state had a duty to provide food to all. It therefore directed the government to provide more employment, to provide food at cheaper prices through the government ration shops, and to provide midday meals to children. All these are the positive points. However, there are also courts' judgments that people believe that work against the best interest of the common person. For example, courts take long number of years to hear a case. Second, the right to shelter or housing for the poor. Here, recent judgments tend to view the slum dwellers as an encroacher in the city. That is, The recent judgment is not favoring the poor and their right to shelter. In spite of all these problems, there is no denying that the judiciary has played a crucial role in democratic India, serving as a check on the powers of the executive and the legislature, as well as in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. Yes, at the end of this beautiful lesson, we can proudly say that the members of the Constituent Assembly had correctly put a system of courts with an independent judiciary as a key feature of our democracy. That's all for today. Thank you.